The rusted gears of time have finally ceased their grinding after eons of labor. Yet the echoes of 1,000 lost voices still pulse through the frozen machinery. Deep within the silent abyss, glowing cerulean crystals hum with an ancient power. This ethereal light serves as a map for souls searching for the earth's beating heart. As howling winds peel back the shifting dunes, the remains of a golden empire emerge. The ruins stand as a monument to a throne that no living brow can ever wear again. Metallic vines entwine with ancient oaks under a sky filled with streams of liquid data. Falling embers of code blur the boundary between the breath of nature and the machine. When the final grain of stardust slips through the universe, the void begins to stir. In that moment of darkness, the cosmos prepares to exhale a brand new dream.